NAM, New Age Mompreneurs, is a network of moms by the moms and for the moms. And today we have founder of NAM, Ankita, and she'll be telling us everything about the community and how you can be part of it and how this community, it's an incredible community, can help you grow as a mompreneur and flourish your business within the community, and also sky's the limit for you. So let's hear from her everything about NAM. So what made you start this new age mompreneur society or a network of moms, and what came to your mind?
So I've been in community building since 14 years, but when I started my own venture as a mom entrepreneur, I started Mama's Kitchen for Healthy Bakes. I realized that the challenges of mom entrepreneur are completely different from other set of entrepreneurs.
Agree.
And sometimes people don't understand these challenges. Sometimes they're also considered as excuses. So I felt there's a lack of understanding. And also it is very lonely when you deal with so many caretaking role and a business. It's very hard. So I felt there's a specific networking need for a specific networking channel which only addresses to challenges of mom entrepreneur. And that's when this community started. We just started with 30 moms about 3.5 years back.
Okay.
And this has been organically growing.
So आपका initial vision क्या था? What you thought के मैं बस इतना कर लूँ, I'll be happy, but then you
So
did.
actually community building has always been part of me. I'll go back जब मैंने अपनी first community start की थी.
Right.
So it was for expat women, people who come to India as trailing spouses or for work. So Delhi is a very overwhelming city. So that was my first community building. For them, I wanted to help them settle in Delhi as a local person out here. And उसके अंदर I realized the power of helping each other. People, different color, caste, creed, languages, they were coming forward when they were put in a similar situation to help each other. And it is such a wonderful experience to share your own journey. So I felt and when I became mom, I personally faced a lot of judgment. I think all new moms
Yeah, right.
face like a mom has a particular way कि मेरे को अपने बच्चे को इस तरह से raise करना है. But sometimes people don't accept it. Like if you want to be a breastfeeding mom, people think कि नहीं formula क्यों
फॉर्मूला
नहीं
क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? फॉर्मूला
Yeah.
दे रहे हैं तो फॉर्मूला क्यों दे रहे हो? ब्रेस्ट फीड क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
स्लीप रूटीन सेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो तो
Right.
हम तो अपने बच्चे को हर टाइम जगा के रखते थे.
Yeah.
सो देयर सो मच जजमेंट. सो माय जो फर्स्ट मॉम कम्युनिटी थी, सपोर्ट कम्युनिटी एंड प्लेडेट्स, इसी बेसिस पे मैंने सेट की थी. आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ नॉन जजमेंट स्पेस फॉर मॉम्स एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर नैम. आई रियलाइज कि पेरेंटिंग कम्युनिटीज बहुत सारी हैं, बट ऐसी कम्युनिटी जो एड्रेस करे बिजनेस के चैलेंजेस भी और मॉम के चैलेंजेस भी, वो नहीं था. So I wanted to create a safe space where mom entrepreneurs can share freely, network, and have a space where nobody is judging. कि networking meetup पर अगर if you've not combed your hair and come to a networking meetup, nobody is judging you because you're still passionate for your business.
Yeah,
So that was the
absolutely.
whole idea behind it.
So you just said कि आपने अपना खुद का वेंचर स्टार्ट किया था, मम्मा's किचन, कैटरिंग हेल्दी फूड आइटम्स फॉर
Yes.
योर फॉर kids, and how you started that, and when you started, and how that in business lead to this NAM.
Yeah, so I started in COVID. I was ready to go back and join my family business. I had taken a small break because of my twins. But COVID happened and I was not ready to step out because it just felt unsafe to go out of the house. So I was very passionate baker since beginning because मैं अपने बच्चों को बाहर की cookies, बाहर की चीजें देने में comfortable नहीं थी. तो for the friends, family, I used to bake a lot of healthy options. So Mama's Kitchen actually 2 days में just start हुआ था with the
wow.
help of friend who said that you bake so well and you're getting frustrated because you're not able to go out and work. So why don't you start this from home? You're anyways baking in huge quantities for friends and family. Start charging. So she created my Instagram page.
nice.
She helped with the content writing, and 2 days में like Friday को we had a discussion. She pushed me. I'm creating your menu over the weekend, and Monday को I launched it. And got so many orders on the first day itself because there was already community who was consuming my products. So I realized that if you are passionate about something, that business is going to take off. India इतना बड़ा population country है. If you're clear about your idea, what you want to do, and you're passionate about it, like honesty really works in entrepreneurship, then the business तो चल जाएगा. But उसको grow करने के लिए you need a support system.
Right.
So that I felt कि एक level तक तो मैंने उसमें पहुंचा दिया था, but my high days, my low days, I felt lonely, nobody to share, nobody to meet because COVID भी चल रहा था. तो then I felt that parallelly I need to create this community as well.
So parallelly, you started creating this community.
Yes.
And what do you think that if a mom wants to start a new business, what are challenges and why they stop? Because I think me being a mom and thinking of starting a small business, it's very मतलब अगर हम कुछ भी छोटा सा भी करने चाहते हैं, सपोर्ट सिस्टम का बात आ जाता है. देयर इज नो सपोर्ट सिस्टम. हाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट एंड व्हाट all you think that
Yeah,
challenges?
as a mom, I always tell to prioritize yourself also. मेरे को लगता है moms इतनी giving होती है ना,
Yeah.
they give everybody but they forget about themselves.
Right.
So I always tell that your happiness you'll be happy only when you also think about yourself. Like you need to prioritize yourself.
Yeah.
For business also, I tell people कि support नहीं है, but अगर आप passionate हो ना, तो you have to start it. Easy नहीं होगा.
Right.
It will be very very challenging, but you have to make that first step. And once you make that first step, पानी में कूद जाते हो तो तैरना सीख ही जाते हो. So you
Right.
will figure it out. And ऐसी communities like NAM also provide you that support system कि business को scale कैसे करना है. लोगों से मिल के inspiration और success stories से हमें inspiration ले सकते हैं.
Right.
And trainings होती है NAM में which help you कि कैसे अपने जो न्यू स्किल सेट्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल AI, चैट GPT या सोशल मीडिया, हम इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग्स भी देते हैं मॉम्स को टू अंडरस्टैंड द न्यू वर्ल्ड. So a lot of times moms are also conscious, like when you become a mom, your body also goes through a lot of changes.
Absolutely.
So people, moms become conscious of their looks and how they're looking. So like NAM पे हम भी confidence देते हैं कि when you're coming to a networking meetup, nobody is going to judge you for how you're looking because we are all moms, we've been there or we are still there. And nobody is going to judge you for your language skills. Like you should be able to communicate your business idea properly. चाहे वो English में करो, हिंदी में करो, English में करो. Like the whole
Absolutely.
purpose is to see what you want to give. And business के लिए I always say कि either you have to solve a problem or you have to give some value add to an existing problem.
Yeah.
So जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस लॉन्च करो तो थोड़ा सा थॉट उसके अंदर होना चाहिए कि क्या हम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं ताकि विजिबिलिटी मिले.
Visibility. And what about support system? What if there are so many moms, like they daily, I also get so many messages कि मेरे पास तो कोई support system नहीं है, my husband is not supportive, my in-laws are not supportive, I have kid to look after, I want to be independent. What one thing you want to say to those moms who are like juggling really hard?
I want to tell them that you're not alone. Like
Absolutely, yeah,
people,
you're not
moms go through this every day with lot of guilt. Like moms who work also sometimes struggle. Like we have meetup जहाँ पर one of the moms had come from Meerut and she brings her baby with a nanny to the meetup every time because she can't leave her little breastfeeding baby
at
alone.
home, I know.
So we again, it's the network. You have to find the right kind of network and support system. For us, NAM members are family. Like it's a family of 300 plus moms who are trying and willing to support each other. But you have to ask for help. You have to make that first step that I will do it. It is not going to be easy. अगर small business तो हम किसी को कहते ही नहीं है because we feel that every business has potential to grow eventually. If you put the right amount of effort. So as a community, हम किसी भी business को, it is one of our core values. We don't treat it as a small business.
Great. It's very important.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, small नाम से लोग, but these days it's very common. Everybody says that
Yes.
I'm a small business owner.
Yeah.
अभी तो I'm juggling, I'm trying.
Yes.
But I think you have that vision. तो वो बड़ा vision रखेंगे, then you won't feel small.
And also like it just shows your sometimes not people take it that you're not confident for your business when you
Itself.
say
Absolutely. I
yeah,
think
when you
it's a
say a
very,
small business, if the idea is big around it, business will grow eventually. So no business is small, and it takes a lot of courage. Like I've done jobs,
Yeah.
I've done family business, I've done a startup.
Yeah.
So starting something of your own is, even if it's like the job, like कि छोटी से छोटी product sell कर रहे हैं, anything that you're doing as an entrepreneur, I have so much respect for that person, because entrepreneurship job में तो जाके आप फिर भी limited चीजें देखते हो. Entrepreneurship में you responsible end to end
Yes.
for everything that you do, and it is a huge courage that it takes to make that
And
step.
how courage, well, you got so much courage to start from zero to now 300 plus moms in your community. How was that journey?
So I think a lot of courage and confidence. My dad was an entrepreneur. My mom
Yeah.
was a mompreneur
Oh,
when nobody even knew the term. So I
Yeah.
always tell that I'm an entrepreneur by choice, but my mom was an entrepreneur by circumstances.
Oh.
We moved to Delhi. My dad was from army background, and we moved to Delhi because my dadaji had passed away, and we had to stay in Delhi, one station with my grandmom. तो उस टाइम पे सिंगल अर्निंग मेंबर की सैलरी से घर नहीं चलता, बिकॉज माय दादी ऑल्सो हैड हेल्थ इश्यूज, सो शी नीडेड एन असिस्टेंट. सो एंड मेरी मॉम को कोई भी, शी वॉज अ टीचर बाय प्रोफेशन and she was working before, but she was not getting any flexible job option कि एक elderly person को भी
तो भी
देख
ध्यान रख
सके, दो
सके,
छोटे छोटे
right.
बच्चों को. I was only 6. So I still, and she was into computer teaching at that time. Computer was still picking up in the 90s. I was only 6. I still remember half of our drawing room was converted into the training institute. And from there, she picked up to 200 employees, scaled it to the level that my papa also had to leave her job, come to support her, to help the grow the business. So I think entrepreneurship is something I've seen from them. And I was very passionate. The amount of respect they used to get from students, everybody around, I felt that this is something I would want to do eventually.
Eventually, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how NAM, you thought of NAM and you
Yes.
start building up NAM. That's incredible. And what activities and events does NAM do in a year? And if anybody wants to join, what's the scenario? How to join NAM and how to go about it?
So
And what all support you give? That's, I think, very, very important.
So we basically focus on two things for every brand visibility and opportunity to meet like-minded people. These are the two things we focus on, and we use 4 platforms to actively do that. One is our own website, where every member gets login based access. They can track their own progress also on the website, and they can sign up for meetups as well there, and they can see the entire database of members so that they can reach out. The second platform we actively use, and we started with the WhatsApp group, so we're still continuing that because moms are very comfortable
with WhatsApp. I think everybody is. Yeah.
So on WhatsApp, there's free flowing interaction of members happening. If you have a query, you can post it. People respond from their experience. It's like a directory that you need something, you post there, you get the information. And then we also have a WhatsApp group where you can promote yourself. So every week, every member is allowed to post their promotions twice in a week to help to spread awareness about their brand.
Right.
The third platform we actively use is Instagram. So Instagram, we have about 25K ka organic following. So we have a social media agency in place with whom we work closely, and they have a monthly calendar. So all these initiatives, member can freely participate in all the social media feature. And the fourth platform that we use is actually physical meetups, because we feel that meetups are very important to build relationship. We can give you access, but you have to actually meet the people to build that relationship and trust.
Rapport.
Yeah.
And that's about a networking kind of a thing in which
Yes.
you also grow, you also give your inputs, and everybody learns through each
Yes.
other's
Yeah.
ups and downs. And events?
So
These are
events
the-
in meetups, we have broadly classified into 3 kinds of events. Number one that we do is a hardcore networking event. So every brand or a mompreneur gets a 60 seconds elevator pitch. So
Oh.
you can, it also helps them understand and think what they should cover in 60
60
seconds
seconds,
for a
yeah.
brand introduction. They can bring in their product samples or marketing materials. It's a great opportunity to network. Second format that we do a lot is panel discussions and trainings. So panel discussions is a successful mom entrepreneur coming and sharing her journey, because there's a lot of value in that.
Yeah.
And trainings are topics where we find gaps that mom, like we did a business plan training because we realized a lot of moms have started business, but they have not created a concrete plan. So whenever we identify a gap, we find an expert in the industry and do trainings with them to upscale the skills.
Very
And,
nice.
yeah.
What's included in that training part?
So we have a professor or an expert coming, and it's kind of hands-on 1.5 hour workshop. There's
Oh, very
always
nice.
some open networking that's included part of every meetup, but hands-on hardcore training so that you
Wow.
can understand that scale. Like marketing trainings we've done, AI trainings we've done. So it's specifically focused on a skill set that you
Right.
need in today's time. And the
Yeah.
third kind of format that we do are social bonding meetups. So social bonding meetups are fun meetups actually, because we feel that mom needs that fun
Fun
element.
element also, I
इतना stress है
agree.
life में to relax करने के लिए,
Absolutely.
and also it brings them together as a community. When you do fun things together, relationships jaldi build होते हैं. So we've
Absolutely.
done fun activities like cooking sessions, dance classes, paint over bond. So that's also, we've done festival celebrations like Holi party, Diwali party. So these are something we feel is also very, very important to help moms grow together.
And all this you charge also a little?
So we are a membership based community.
Okay.
We have about 6,000 for a year membership.
Oh.
And we have different partners. We have technology partner in place. I have one, two staff members also to help members on an ongoing basis. We have social media agency, because I've realized that if you need to provide a quality service, you need to have the right partners. And earlier we used to do social media through volunteers, but social media page didn't pick up. So we decided that we'll charge a small fees, but we'll give a lot of value to members.
Value to members.
So
I think it's
we
very,
want
very
to focus
important.
on quality stuff. Our agenda, our focus is still whatever membership that you're paying, you get at least 8 to 10x value of that, because I believe that if a mom is spending some amount, she should get a value in return. So you get so much access and resources that this is actually a peanuts, and that's why we also do a lot of quality control in getting a new member. Usually new members are from existing member referral only,
Okay.
because we are very conscious as a community that we do not want, because moms are buying, taking each other's services, we want that they get quality access to the service. Somebody who's ethical in business.
Yeah.
We don't want fake products, we don't want low quality products or services, because there's a trust that is built.
Build.
Yeah.
And you think that after this, you are providing so much, still few of the mompreneurs are not able to grasp everything and they face challenges?
So I feel networking is a very important skill which is not taught in school. So networking is something, as human beings, we need to meet new people to grow. That's one of the major ways of growing. But it is not told to us. Some people are very, very natural when they see new people. They just keep talking, build a relationship immediately. Some people take time to open up, understand networking. So on the community, we let members take their own time. Sometimes we also have seasoned mompreneurs, core team members on the group, which help mentor the existing members who are struggling. So we have a panel of people whom you can reach out if you feel that, oh, this is really overwhelming, I don't understand. We also do a training on how to network, how to make most of the community. So we have all the resources available. We just encourage moms to reach out with your struggle so that we can help you out.
And tell us something about your Rakhi edit, which is happening every year.
Yes.
And is it included in that part, or how it goes
so
about
some
it?
of the events are free events and which are sponsored, but wherever we are hiring an external venue which comes with a cost, that is on a chargeable basis. For members, rates are always subsidized. We
Subsidized.
also allow some non-members who are not able to join the community for whatever reason, but they can participate in our Rakhi exhibition. So this exhibition, the purpose of this exhibition was to give larger access, because usually all our events are member-only events.
Okay.
So and very small percentage of non-members usually join. So the purpose of this event was to give a larger platform for people, for these mom-led brands to showcase themselves. Because usually we receive a lot of support from all VIPs, mompreneurs, successful corporates to come and support these mom-led brands. Like moms also feel happy when they're supporting a mom-led brand, and these people also get an opportunity to interact with 1,500, 2,000 visitors that are coming to support the edit.
I once came to your Rakhi edit. It was Rakhi edit, right? And I met Kapil Dev ji.
Yes.
Yeah. So Kapil Dev wife is your member?
Yeah, she was one of our special guests in the exhibitions, and she was part of the community as well for some time. And he was very kind to come and support the community, because it really, if the community members are getting recognized, it really helps them. Like I had gone out this year, I had also gone to Ahana Deol, Mrs. Hema Malini. It is hard to match their schedules because people are really busy, but at least they know about the community. It is like we approach to everybody when the event happens that please do come and support, and whoever is available, they come. We receive a lot of support from everybody, and that's why we've been growing every year. For our Rakhi exhibition only, we started with only 30 brands exhibition. This year we had 85 brands participating with us.
Very nice. Yeah. And what's your future plan? How to take this forward? And how you see NAM growing and supporting every mom?
Yeah, so this year we had only South Delhi chapter earlier. This year we formally launched our Gurgaon chapter also. So now we regularly have meetups in South Delhi and Gurgaon. Eventually, we want to start creating these chapters in Delhi NCR region first, and then probably all over the India, because my mission is to support every mom who needs support through this network and who is a little underconfident because of the support system. She's not able to start something. This network will give them push to make that step. And we want to support them because मेरे को लगता है moms are so dedicated and passionate about whatever they do. The business is eventually going to run, and you create jobs. When you're an entrepreneur, you actually help economy also grow.
Absolutely. And how many networking events you have in a year?
So every month we have about 4 to 5 events. So every
week, month?
Yeah, our meetup size are usually from 20 members to 70, 80 members, and usually all our meetups are sold out. And I also actually wanted to tell you about the community that we don't make these meetups mandatory or anything mandatory on the community, because we feel that moms ke baad bahut pressure hai already. So our philosophy is to empower mom, and we don't believe in danda wala thing कि डंडे से कराओगे तो आ जाएगा, because we feel that it is a support system for them. It should not be an additional pressure for them. So हम कहते हैं कि आपको value लगे तो आप, and people have found value in our network.
That's why they are coming.
They are coming, and we have to do more and more meetups because meetups are sold out. So we want to do more and more so that everybody can join us.
I think it's a great initiative by you. And why only South Delhi chapter, and wo chapter North Delhi sab bhi karo?
So that's the plan. We have members from Delhi NCR. In fact, we have few outstation members also जो online join करते हैं meetups. So actually, being a mom myself, छोटे बच्चे हैं, I have 6-year-old boys. So limited time होता है, तो I'm trying to make most of everything. So we are taking baby steps organically. इतनी अच्छी grow कर रही है community. So we don't even put additional marketing efforts because we we want that organic growth to happen. So eventually, agar, if God wants, we will have chapters hopefully all over India.
Great. So tell us few success stories that how NAM has impacted the life of few of the mompreneurs in your
So,
network.
I love numbers because I am a chartered accountant. So
Yeah.
almost we have a tracker in our application where we can track how much business each mompreneur has done over
Oh,
the year.
nice.
So if I talk about numbers, every month almost there's a 10 lakhs of business. So over crore over a year is the business generated within the community for mompreneurs itself.
Oh, nice. Other ki within the community, you are
Yeah.
creating so much business,
Yeah,
and
because I
outside, so sky's the
yeah, so
limit.
people also refer members that let's say if I am planning a party for my kids,
Yeah.
so I will take a party planner from NAM, I will take my outfit from NAM, I will take the cake from NAM, I will take the return gift from NAM, जो activities करा रहा है बच्चों का वो भी I take from NAM. So that's how moms, because they're primary caretakers, they're shoppers, they're business owners, they need services for their business. We
Absolutely.
encourage ये 300 लोगों के network में use their services. So we encourage that as a community. And we also encourage कि आपके जो friends, family groups है वहाँ पर like people keep posting, I'm looking for recommendation for this and that. So that there also we encourage that you recommend a mompreneur. Because when you support a mom-led brand, they get a confidence to do
Confidence
more.
to do more.
Sometimes एक छोटा सा like Instagram में motivates them. Like mom is feeling low, एक like आ जाता है, they feel happy that oh मेरे post पे like आ गया. So they just need little bit of encouragement and push. And sometimes क्या होता है कि families इतनी judgmental हो जाती है, friends and family, कि वो push to support a business which has just started वो मिलता नहीं. तो यहाँ से ये push मिलता है. We are trying to give that push.
And what if somebody's family, nobody is interested in mom's business and they are not letting her do? Still, can with your community, they can get that push and they can.
Yes, they will be able to network and meet with 300 moms. And अगर हर एक mompreneur की story देखोगे ना तो किसी के आसान नहीं है. But at NAM, I know like there's a core team member Sukhmani from Best Masala Mix. घर से start किया था selling one bottle. At NAM platform itself, now she's selling over hundreds bottle and she's moved to a commercial space. Similarly, there's another core team member, Ruhi. She's an artist. So she used to do small sip and paints. Now she does big corporate sip and paints. NAM has given her this platform and she's now also helping other moms because she's part of the core team members. Our social media marketing agency, Social Mata, which is run by Roli, another core team member. Yeah. So she started her business. She joined the community as an author, but then she said, I'm very passionate about social media. I want to start a social media company. She started on community. NAM was her first client. Now she has more than 30 clients in less than a year. So this is the power of networking and supporting each other. एक base foundation readily available है. You just have to come there and make use of it.
I think for moms, it's very important to take first step.
Yes.
I think we as a mom, we don't take first step only. We are so मतलब हम इतने ज़्यादा इंट्रोवर्ट हो जाते हैं अपने में ही, सिर्फ बच्चों में, घर में, फैमिलीज में. आई थिंक उसके बाद हम वो फर्स्ट स्टेप ही नहीं लेना चाहते. एंड व्हेन यू टेक फर्स्ट स्टेप, यू हैव सो मच ऑफ help around. There's so much of networking, support system. Then you obviously flourish.
Yes, and if there's a will, you find a way.
Yeah.
I strongly believe that. और अपने लिए खड़ा होना तो हमें ही सीखना पड़ेगा. कोई आपके लिए लाइक कितनी ही क्लोज फैमिली, कितना ही कुछ हो, लाइक कितने ही सपोर्टिव फैमिली भी हो, तब भी आपका बिजनेस क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके लिए, आपकी आइडेंटिटी क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके लिए. हर इंडियन वुमेन को समझाना ही पड़ता है अपने फैमिली को. कोई समझ के नहीं आता क्योंकि सोसाइटी में इस तरह से प्रेशर्स बिल्ड है दैट एवरीबडी एक्सपेक्ट कि मॉम ही प्राइमरी केयर टेकर होगी. मॉम, ये कोई नहीं सोचता कि मॉम कैन बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर आल्सो. उसकी भी कमिटमेंट्स हो सकते हैं. सो ये आपको समझाना ही पड़ता है कि ये मेरी हैप्पीनेस के लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, मेरी आइडेंटिटी होना. तो हम बहुत सारे सेशन सेल्फ केयर पे भी करते हैं कि
I think that's very, very important. यही होता है ना हमारे घर पे भी, अगर हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों ही काम से घर आए हैं तो वाइफ फिर भी जाके चाय बना रही है, सब काम कर रही है, एंड हस्बैंड इज रिलैक्सिंग, अरे वो काम से आया है, वो काम से आया है, तो हम भी तो काम से आए हैं।
या
आई थिंक हम अपने आप को ही बहुत ज्यादा डिमीन कर लेते हैं,
हाँ
एंड वी डोंट वांट के कोई हमारे पे उंगली ना उठा दे। उठा भी दी तो क्या हुआ, तुम
सो
काम तो कर रहे हो।
कम्युनिकेशन भी आई फील कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। लोग एक बार में नहीं समझते, बट आप कम्युनिकेट करो, बार बार उनको बताओ कि ये मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो मेरे घर में मेरे बच्चों को पता है कि सैटरडे इट्स अ नो मॉम्स डे। लाइक आई वर्क ऑन सैटरडे, माई हस्बैंड हैज ऑफ ऑन सैटरडे।
ओके।
सो अगर मशीन लगानी है, वॉशिंग मशीन, वो मेरा हस्बैंड लगाएंगे।
वेरी
बच्चों
नाइस।
की कुछ भी क्वेरी है, फ्रॉम होमवर्क टू अदर थिंग्स, ही विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट। दे आर वेरी वेरी क्लियर that Saturday is a mom's break day, and they are not
Superb.
allowed to go for anything to her. And I'm a primary caretaker for them, so they're used to. We have to train them also. Like my
Absolutely.
husband was constantly telling them कि नहीं, पापा से आके पूछो, mama is not available. So it takes time, but you will figure out a system to make it work with support, without support, external support, friends support, neighbor support, caretaker support. You will figure out a system if you want to do it.
एंड आई थिंक इनिशियल हिकअप बहुत ज्यादा होता है, फॉर वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट
Yes.
यू get a little initial success. Now everybody start liking it, and they
Yes.
also start encouraging you. I remember 6 years back when I started my Instagram journey. To be honest, my dad was also not happy, my sister was not happy, everybody was saying, "Hey, what are you doing? Don't do it. Why are you doing it? What is the need? You want to earn money? What is this happening? Sharing everything
Yes.
on Instagram." And then eventually, now they look up to me. Now, eventually, when they see that, yes, she's doing good, she's keeping herself busy and she's happy. I think
Yes.
that's very, very
Yes, and
important.
you're
That's very,
enjoying what you're doing.
absolutely.
Because it gives you identity. Like
Identity.
as mom, wife, हम कई बार उसी रोल्स में इतना इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि वी ऑल्सो हैव सम मिशन इन लाइफ. एवरीबडी कम्स विद अ पर्पस एंड फॉर अ ग्रेटर गुड. लाइक आई डोंट से कि आप अपने बच्चे और फैमिली इग्नोर कर दो, बट वर्क आउट एन अरेंजमेंट कि आप बैलेंस कर सको दोनों चीज. मुश्किल होता है बट इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज आई नो सो मेनी मॉमप्रेन्योर्स हु आर डूइंग इट. एंड वो कहते हैं नाम, लाइक लॉट ऑफ मॉम्स कम to our meetup and say that NAM is our happy place. We come to the meetup, business so आएगा eventually,
Yeah.
but we come because this is our place. This is where we can just be ourselves.
And it's very important to feel that safe space around you. If you don't feel that, you don't come to that space again, and you feel disconnected. But if somebody is feeling that, that's, I think, incredible. Yeah, and that's what moms need also, yaar.
Yeah, I think moms need the most support in the world, because
Yeah.
I felt जब मैं सीए कर रही थी तो मैं यही सोचती थी कि सबसे हार्ड है सीए करना in
I
this
agree. I
world.
was doing my
Yeah.
MDS, my
Yeah.
post graduation. I was thinking, इससे difficult तो क्या ही होगा?
Yeah, and जब मैं फिर Deloitte में worked with
Yeah,
a big
you
four
were.
firm, I worked there and I said, oh my God, this is so difficult. International clients handle करना,
Yeah.
ये करना, वो करना. Then I switched to a family entrepreneurship जहाँ पर मुझे laws business मिल गया था, तो I was supposed to bring it back to life.
Back to life.
So I said, oh, this is an impossible task. But when I became a mom, I realized, oh God, whatever I've done in the past was probably the easiest thing.
Easiest thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Because in that, I think only you are involved.
Yeah.
Now your two kids, your two kids are
Yeah,
also
you're
involved.
responsible for somebody else's life. My babies were premature babies. I remember me and my husband could sleep for 3 months. हमें लगता था कि मतलब हम कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर देंगे.
हाँ, सब-
Like because they were so tiny, हम ठीक से उठा रहे हैं इनको नहीं, because you are responsible for somebody else's life.
Absolutely. I think moms is struggling and juggling the biggest role. And it was lovely chatting with
Thank
you,
you.
Ankita. It was such an insightful session. Thank you so much. And I think every mompreneur, I'll encourage them to join NAM to have a safe space and a great community.
Thank you so much, Garima. This was such an honor and it was such a pleasure to have this candid and
Yes.
organic conversation with you.
Yeah,
I think we've connected with your as an influencer before,
Yes.
but this was a very, very heart-to-heart conversation.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you.
think my purpose of doing this podcast is only to have a heart-to-heart conversation where I think other moms also feel connected, and they can also feel encouraged, and okay, they need to do something.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much for
Thank
this
you so
beautiful initiative and having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.